Which side do you like better? Let me ask you. Thicker and fuller, which you know I could curl this, I can make it even thicker and bigger. Or do you like the nice smooth straight side? Let me know. Hey guys, Coach Kimmy here. So I just wanted to let you know what I did. I went to the gym today. Yay, it felt so good. And then I went in the jacuzzi. I went in the steam room at the gym. That was great. And then I took a quick shower and I used a good shampoo and conditioner that I'm trying out right now. So I'm not going to tell you what it was, but I like the way my hair is right now. So, and then I put an oil in, and what else did I put in there? Yeah, that was about it. So it's super soft. I really wanted to like hydrate my hair, but I want to teach you how to blow dry it straight. I don't really ever blow dry my hair straight. So I thought that's why I'll do this video to show you. So I want you to remember something. The smaller the brush, the more curl you're going to get. The bigger the brush, the straighter it's going to get. So which one am I going to use if I'm going to make blow dry it straight? Definitely this one, and probably for my thicker hair down here. And then this one is probably for the top and everything else, because you're going to see how straight it's going to get. So I did it straight last week and everybody loved it. And I'm telling you, I had so many compliments. You were able to really see all the layers in my hair. So I just had a ton of people when they came in, they're like, I want my haircut like yours. So it's funny because I usually like my hair big and full and all that. So it was so straight. I don't really wear my hair straight. So I was I was kind of shocked, I guess. I was very shocked because I don't always like my hair straight, but I felt like a lot of people thought I looked younger. So maybe that's why they liked it better straight. So let me teach you. I'm going to use the medium brush, and this is a 45. Okay. And the other one is a 52. And you know, basically I use between these and the white one. So it depends on what I have. All right, so I'm gonna do my bangs first, you know. I'm gonna take a big chunk of that bang. Now listen, I don't have any volume products on my hair. So could I have? Yes, I absolutely could have. And there's some questions that I just wanna clear up here. Sometimes people say to me, well, I have very thin hair and I don't know if layers would be good for my hair. So I'm just gonna tell you, when you have one length hair and you have fine hair, there's no style to it. So it's very simple, it's very plain, and that's okay. You know, if you think your hair looks thicker that way, but I'm gonna tell you, if you learn how to style your hair correctly, your hair will look thicker, layered with fine hair. I'm telling you, I've been doing layers for 40 years, and layers make your hair look fuller, and it gives it a design. So I feel like it's like jewelry or things like that, right? Like hair is a design. We can design that hair. So with layers, it's such a beautiful design. That's why I love it so much. So just want to clear the record now. I have just a lot of people say that. And guess what? When I have people that come in and they have fine hair and they want that Jaclyn Smith haircut or that Farrah Fawcett, they want the layers, it comes out beautiful and their hair looks fuller and better than ever. So fine hair is good to layer if you want your hair to look thicker and fuller, period. So even though right now my hair is thicker, I've been taking those hair vitamins. I love the Hair Plus and I was taking Force Factor. So between the two of them, I like them both. I think I like Hair Plus a little bit more, but my hair has been doing awesome. So when these extensions come out, my hair is going to be as long as the extensions because it protects that hair too, and just taking those good vitamins. So that's it. And also one more thing I have to say, if you like these videos, please subscribe, and thank you for all the love that you guys give me. I'm so blessed by all your comments and I read them because I love to hear your heart and what you'd like me to do next. That's why I can answer the questions too when I'm doing another video, because I hear sometimes the same question over and over and over again, and I do answer, but then somebody else will ask the same question and then another person will ask the same question. So I know that's a big question. So a lot of times when I do my videos, I'm going to go over the questions that were repeatedly asked. So now you guys have the answer to that question. So you're going to see my hair look thinner when I do my hair straight, but it is more design even though it's straight, okay, and thinner. It just is going to look more fun because I have lots of layers in there, lots of texture in my hair, and that's what I do the most. Let me tell you, it is so awesome to do layers. If you don't know how to do layers, you should do a one-on-one call. Like we could do a call too, just so you know, because I coach people on Zoom and it's so good because then you get to be able to teach them one-on-one how to do hair really well, and it works, just so you know. So all right, here we go. Big section, you're grabbing that big section. I like to use my pinky as my little grabber. You always got to get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. When you're blow drying that hair, get that root, but then get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. And then sometimes you might have to take the blow dryer this way, get those ends on that nice hot brush. And the brush will be like a curling iron. Bigger brush. Look how easy that was. Now listen, now look it, this is thicker and fuller. This is straight, but look at the design in the hair. So pretty. I have all those beautiful layers. I love those layers. So it looks really beautiful straight too. And it definitely looks like I have less hair. So I just want you to know that which side do you like better? Let me ask you. Thicker and fuller, which you know I could curl this, I can make it even thicker and bigger. Or do you like the nice smooth straight side? Let me know. And subscribe if you like these videos. All right, now I'm taking out the back. Look how easy it is, so easy. I take the lower section. Get those ends, get these done. All right, I love to grab this under here, grab this whole thing and just keep going straight, get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. Super easy. All right, here we go. Nice and straight and smooth. It'll be good for tomorrow. I'm doing a class tomorrow. Super excited. Anyway, this is straight and smooth with all the beautiful, beautiful layers. Let me know what you think. Have a great day.